I sat and thought to myself, that Hawaiian Rose French toast was so good, but I know we can elevate it to the next level. So guess what? We about to fill it up with a strawberry cheesecake filling. Yeah, you heard that right. It is about to go down. I'm about to show you how it's done. Let's get started. So to begin, we got two mixtures that we're about to get going. First one is the one we're gonna use to dip in our Hawaiian Rose, and we're adding egg as well as heavy cream, milk, and several other ingredients you should see listed on the screen. We're gonna get all of these in this bowl. Once that's all said and done, we are gonna give them a nice mix, guys. And guys, let me know in the comments below, have you tried that original recipe with the Hawaiian Rose French toast? If you have, man, I'm telling you, you are going to love this one because it is 10 times better. No exaggeration, guys. I'm trying to tell you guys, oh my goodness, I cannot wait for you guys to dig in this one and let me know how it tastes, because I know it's good. Now that this is done, we're gonna go ahead and set it to the side and move on to that second mixture, which is our cheesecake filling. So we have our cream cheese, we have our sugar, and this is a strawberry glaze. You should be able to find it. It's kind of similar what you would use to kind of glaze up a actual cheesecake. Put that in there as well as a little bit of vanilla extract, and we're gonna mix that up, guys. It is so good. Yum yum. Hey, it's obvious, guys, I'm a cheesecake fanatic, cheesecake lover. I can't get enough. Give me cheesecake for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, guys. I'm trying to tell you, I love me my cheesecake. So you're gonna go ahead and get you a piping bag, and you are gonna fill up that piping bag with that cheesecake filling just like so, guys. So go ahead and grab your Hawaiian sweet rolls as well as a little knife, and you're gonna go ahead and cut yourself a little bit of a pocket just like so, and that's where we're gonna fill it up with that good old strawberry cheesecake filling just like so. And you're gonna do this until you have all of your rolls all filled up, guys. And if you haven't already, don't forget to drop a like for y'all boy. Truly helps out so much, as well as drop a comment down below. If you ain't got nothing to say at all, drop a fire emoji for y'all boy. Again, I really appreciate it. So we just about done. We cutting, we stuffing. Man, I can't wait till this is done, guys. The end result is just top level, guys. Top notch. So now that our rolls are all stuffed up, it is time to dip them in that goodness that we have here. Get all of them in there, well, as much as you can fit in a pan, because if you dip them and sit them to the side, it's gonna get super soggy. In my opinion, dip as much as you can fit in the pan. If that's half, then dip half now, get them on a pan, and when you're ready for your next batch, you could then dip the rest, so on and so forth. You know how it goes. So I got my pan to about a medium, I would say, and I'm just gonna melt some butter up in that pan just like so. Once that's all said and done, it is time to get our rolls in that pan. And what you want to do is get a nice, beautiful crust on each and every single side of this roll. So you just kind of let each side do its thing for about a minute, give it a flip here and there. Just make sure all of the sides of this roll look oh so beautiful. You will see the end result shortly. Look at that beautiful color we have on there. That is a beautiful French toast, guys. My goodness. So go ahead and do that until all of your sides look this beautiful. And guys, in my humble opinion, this recipe is not only for breakfast. This goes any time of the day, man. If you know, you know, man. Around here, we eating pancakes for dinner, man. It don't matter what time of the day it is. You know what I mean? Same goes for this dish. You can eat it any time of the day. Perfect little dessert or whatnot. It is so delicious, guys, and it is so different, guys, than your traditional French toast. Like I said, it just elevated to a level that French toast ain't never seen before, guys. So go ahead and garnish your dish with some fresh strawberries. I slapped on a little bit of that strawberry glaze, and we're also gonna sprinkle on a little bit of powdered sugar as well, guys. And this is it, guys. This is love. This is what love feels like. I'm telling you, man, because it is so good. I don't even know how to put it in words to help y'all understand how delicious this is. This is so good, guys. That strawberry cheesecake filling, man, as well as, you know, the whole French toast going on. The Hawaiian Rose itself brings so much to the French toast game, period. Come on now. We are not playing any games with you guys whatsoever at all, guys. This is so amazing. Again, maybe for the third time I'm saying this, I cannot wait for you guys to try this. Let me know in the comments once you do, how'd you love it? You know what I mean? Until the next one, I will see you guys, man. Deuces.